Hey y'all, welcome back. So brand new year, right? 2022, new year, new possibilities. If you have been considering the business opportunity with 31, I wanted to come on really quick and share with you an incentive that we have right now. So now through January 23rd, you can actually join 31 for 31% off your enrollment kit. Now, I consider this a true business opportunity with 31. So it's going to give you a platform to do and achieve your goals. So whether it be make extra money, maybe just to have some girl time, maybe online or in person, or you just want to know you be the first to know everything, or maybe you want a way to be able to give back. Okay, 31, this business opportunity might be a fit for you and your family. For me, it's all about the money. I'm here to make a paycheck and build relationships and meet women across the United States by partying online and making videos right here on YouTube. So I'd consider this a wonderful opportunity for anyone, and I hope that you will consider joining 31 for 31% off. Now, I have a video with the enrollment kits, what comes in each kit. I'll link it above, so you can just click that, or you can click it at the end to see the enrollment kits. But what's great about the kits is that you get to choose your own prints, and the items that come personalized, you get to choose your own personalization, which is so fun. We're a personalization company, and so why not be able to customize your own kit, right? So I'll also link below my link for my website where you can click to learn more about being a consultant. So there are just so many possibilities, and I truly believe in 31 and our mission of celebrating, encouraging, and rewarding women of all walks of life. So if you're interested in joining and you do not have a sponsor, I would love to be your sponsor and help you get started with a launch party and help you book parties for future success in your business. So I look forward to helping you reach your goals. So definitely reach out and we can get the ball rolling. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.